Deb here, and I wanted to do a video on some new storage that I got. The really useful box, which a lot of scrapbookers have, but I've always kept my kits in my drawer unit. I think I might have done a video. If I have, I can't remember if I've done a video, an exclusive video for the subscribers of Kitaholic Kits. I might have an old setup, but I have a drawer unit, and I'll try and pop a picture in here maybe. And I keep my kits in there, and I pull the drawer out when I need it. Like, I've got one drawer for my main kit, one drawer for my pocket page kit. Yeah, so I thought I would buy some of these really useful boxes. Now, this one is the 7 litre. I'll move the second one out of the way so I've got more room. So this one is the 7 litre capacity. Includes a tray, and it does say it's for scrapbooking. It's got the clips on the side. It's really well made. Because I always put it off because it is a little bit pricey, I think, for a plastic box. But having bought it now, I have to say I am extremely impressed with the quality of it. Yeah, so the sides just snap closed. Got the lid. Now you've got a tray insert, and I've already got dirt in that. So you got the tray insert, which is roughly, let's see. Okay, it's just under 1.5 inches deep. And you get the, I don't know if the video, hang on, let's see if we can get this, but it's got all these different compartments. There's 4 smaller ones, there's one over here, there's really long kind of skinny one here, and one up the top. And yeah, really well made. I'm really impressed. So you get the little flyer in there. And this one, that's the one that it is. So that's the measurements. Is it going to focus? The 7 litre 12 by 12 scrapbook one. So it's saying it's 85 deep, 400 by 350 in diameter. So, and also, of course, they've got all their other products. And I really love this picture here. A picture of the car sitting on top of the boxes, saying our boxes are strong. Reminds me of Napoleon Dynamite when he he runs over the Tupperware. Yeah, so what I was going to do was pack my kits into here. Just reading the back here, it says it's got the temperatures, really useful products.com, 7 litre. Yeah, so so I have to say that I am really impressed the quality of it, and I am really keen to pack my kits into here. Now I just did an unboxing. Excuse me. Did an unboxing, and I've still got my kits still in the pizza boxes they came in. They're all messed up already because I've been working on some projects. I've got my, what are these? My exclusives. Oh my goodness. Why couldn't I remember it? My exclusives, I popped into this little container I got from Woolies, and it is, I don't know how many, It's the 1.7 litre. Oh, here we go. There we go. They had them on special at Woolies just this last week, or was it this week? I'm all over the place, I'm sorry. But you can pick these up in Woolies, and I got this one for $2.50, I'm sure. And it's just a little storage container that has also got a little tray insert in the top. So I've done that with my exclusives. I put some die cuts and things. Like, I've been working, so things just got chucked back in. We're on school holidays here, and when I finish a project, I just chuck everything back into a container, and yeah, so it all needs to be sorted back out, and I thought I would do it on camera and see how it all fits in here. And I'll probably put you on fast forward with a bit of music, and we'll see how we go. I've put all my stuff in, as you saw. When I first started, I was going to put everything into the one box, all 4 kits. Then I changed my mind, because the way I had it set up in my drawers, I had one drawer for my pocket page stuff and one drawer for my main kit. And the embellishment kit, I would like kind of split. Usually I'd put the embellishment kit mostly with my pocket page project life stuff. It's just the way I like to work. and I do mix in my main kit with my pocket page kit, but because I'm on the design team, I do like to keep the pocket page kit separate and try and work from the pocket page kit and the embellishment kit together, just to show the subscribers who might only get the pocket page kit for they might not do the main scrapbooking. So when I do pocket page layouts at the end of the month, I'm pretty much pulling from all of the kits, but I do try and stay with the pocket page kit and the embellishment kit to start off with. So I did split them. I'm glad I got 2 boxes because I got my pocket page stuff here, my main kit here, and the mixed media kit. And I've split the embellishment kit. I have put, like, from the embellishment kit, I have put like the titles in with the main kit because they're quite large words. Most likely use most of them on a scrapbook layout than a little pocket page card. Yeah, so yeah, I'm quite happy with this. I'm gonna have to use it for a while and see how it goes. Excuse me. I really love the tray factor of this because when I did have it in the drawer, we get, where are they? We usually get like some sort of cut apart sheet and the some pattern paper to make our own cards, and I always end up getting little scraps of paper which I make into embellishments, or here comes my kids, it's school holidays, embellishments, or make into another card. So I really love that feature. They're not going to get lost down here. Okay, sorry about that. Drama. So yeah, what I was saying was when I start making my own Project Life cards, I get all the little bits and pieces, and they are not going to get lost in the bottom of a drawer with the rest of the stuff. So I should also note that there are a few extras in here, like an extra sticker sheet, and I also got an extra pack of the die cuts that weren't part of the kit, but like especially with the sticker sheet, I start going through the icons quite fast, so I always like to have an extra. What else was I going to say? The washi, we don't normally get this many washi tapes in our kits. That's all good. I kind of fiddled about and moved them about. I originally thought I could have them sitting in this part here, but the lid has got an indentation just there, so when you put it down, it doesn't want to sit up against that. So yeah, they're fine over there. They are from, I've got my little sheet here. Yeah, they are from the embellishment kit, and I'm more likely to use them on a pocket page than in the main. There was one other thing I wanted to mention, and it was, these little sections here. I really would love if there was one of these sections like sectioned off. So I might even create like a little wall there, mainly for the main kit one. Like, I don't need all that space just for them little embellishments. I don't know. I could also, like, because sometimes we get sequins, and I would never just chuck sequins into a well like that. I'd get a little container and pop it in like that. I might even get one of my spare ones like this and use it for that. But yeah, I am really happy with this setup. And oh yes, the border strips. I really love using border strips to make pocket page cards or embellishments. And in my drawer, they usually get chucked in there. They end up getting crumpled up or lost. So I love this really long section here just to keep them there. Yeah, and I still got to cut up my exclusives. And yeah, I'm really happy. And plus, having it like this too, is very portable to move about the house. Not that I need to, because I am set up in the dining room, which is right next to my lounge room. So I'm pretty much sitting with my family whenever I'm crafting, which can be annoying at times, getting interrupted. But okay, now why isn't this that washi's got to sit down properly? But yeah, if you were looking at getting one, these would these are definitely really portable. And I like how they kind of stuck into each other. I probably will get some more just to stack some old kits up or make my own kits. So you could just chuck like an ink pad, your date stamp, some tape runner, pair of scissors, and let's see. I just want to see actually. Oh no, that's my 12-inch trimmer, doesn't fit in. But that's not a big drama. You can always just chuck it on top or use a smaller trimmer. Yeah, scissors and yeah, tape runners and little things like that into the top here, and you could take this on your troubles. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm really impressed. I really like it. I would recommend getting them. So I'll see how I go, and I know that I will like it more with that tray, and everything's all in one place, all contained. All my little scraps are not going to get lost. So yeah, so that's it. Sorry that was a bit rambly. Just wanted to do this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are enjoying the projects that are being made with these kits. I will link Kitaholics below, along with their YouTube and any other things. I don't think, yeah, their shop, their YouTube, and all that kind of stuff. I'll link it all below. And I'm really rambly. It's too early in the morning. Alrighty then. I'll catch you guys later.